One of the best times after you pour the slab to look at it before you put down the flooring to check and make sure it's level and in good shape. Frame stage of construction is a good time. That way they have time to address things, right? But at any rate, one of the things we do during a pre-drywall inspection is look at the floor. I feel like I'm going up and down on this floor. I feel like there's a lot of dips and dives. But check this out. It made me pull out the level. So you see how far out this one is. That's a level, showing perfectly level. But it's touching there, and that's about that's about an inch in 2 feet. Now there's performance guidelines on how much is too much. National Association of Home Builders has rules. There's quality control rule books out there from different flooring manufacturers. But you don't want to get to the point where the flooring's down and you're having to debate with the builder about how big the dip is. Let's get this addressed now. Whether we have to grind, float, whatever has to be done, you want to bring it to their attention.